Hi, let's take a look at more multimedia editing workflows, starting with Context menu on right-click within the project window Parts and Events section. Under New Window, Preferences, Tools, make sure Show Toolbox on right-click is not checked. You will then get a Context menu on right-click when using any tool from the Toolbox section. Now each event has a snap point position, typically located at the head of an event, but you can move the snap point of an event using the cursor to position the snap point based on the continuous visual feedback on the video display, and select Snap Point to Cursor on right-click to move the snap point position within the selected event. A vertical red line indicates the snap point position on the selected event, and you can then move the event using the mouse or nudge the selected event to a specific position on the timeline at the new snap point position. You can also move the cursor at a desired position on the timeline and right-click, Move to Cursor to move the selected event at the snap point position. Now if you open the sample editor on the lower zone of the project window, make sure the Show Audio Event icon is activated to see the event start and end flags, as well as the snap point location within the selected event defined by the letter S. You can then manually adjust the position of the snap point within the selected event using the mouse. You can select multiple events in a project window using the Object tool and right-click to Event to Part to create a part. The sample editor on the lower zone turns into an audio part editor, which can be easily unlinked or linked to the project window. A different grid type can be used on the audio part editor, allowing you to nudge different events within the selected part or part on the project window at a different grid value. Under Preferences, Event Display, Audio, Background Color Modulation can help define the selected event in a project window and audio part editor. You can easily edit an event in the audio part editor or apply any processes or plugin on right-click. You can use the Object tool in the project window to edit a part or align other event to the selected part or event, and use the Wrench tool in the audio part editor to process, apply a plugin, or edit a wrench selection on right-click. Functions like Cut Time to cut and copy the selection range and move events on the right side of the selection range to the left side to fill the gap. Paste Time, paste the selection range to the new range selection, an existing event moved accordingly. Or Delete Time to delete the selection range and move the event on the right side of the selection range to the left to fill the gap, for example. Now under Preferences, Editing, check Cycle Follows Range Selection to link the locator with the selection range, allowing you to easily loop playback a selection range, for example. You can export audio events and audio parts as a clip package to use within the same project or other projects. Clip packages only contain the portion of the audio clip used by an event, extended by 2 seconds at the beginning and the end of the event for border adjustments. All processes are applied and saved, and volume and pan automation, as well as fades, crossfades, and volume envelopes are all included. Clip packages are available in the pool and MediaBay. Parts within the project window, including parts within a clip package, can be dissolved on right-click. The same editing options are available for multi-channel tracks, like a 7.1.2 bed channel, or third-order Ambisonics tracks, for example. Now you can easily split a multi-track channel using the split function available on right-click and use the comp tool to highlight different sections from the lanes. Audio clips from the pool or the MediaBay can also be inserted into a lane. And multiple versions of the sound effect, for example, can be created using the track version feature of Nuendo 11. Thanks for watching.